Breaking: Fiverr just rolled out advanced fingerprinting. Are you protected? When you run multiple Fiverr accounts from the same device, you leave identical digital fingerprints everywhere. It's like wearing the same shoes to every crime scene. They will connect the dots fast. VPNs alone won't save you. Fiverr doesn't just check your IP. They build a complete profile of your device. Changing IP with the same fingerprint is like putting on a mask but keeping the same outfit. Multilogin has been battle-tested by thousands of professionals for over 8 years. It's not some new tool. It's the proven solution that the industry relies on. You'll be able to scale your Fiverr operations beyond what you thought possible. No more living in fear of the next ban wave. Don't wait until you get banned. Grab